Hey guys, Mani Vaya here, founder of 2000books.com. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to live a more meaningful, a more fulfilling life. And this idea comes from one of the greatest productivity books to have come out in the last few years. It's called Deep Work by Cal Newport, who's a professor of computer science. All right, let's jump into the idea. So our mind is a very interesting machine. It constructs an understanding of this world based on how you are perceiving the world, based on what you're paying attention to, based on what you're spending your time on. And what happens is 99% of this world is living a life of death by 1,000 paper cuts. What I mean by that is that they're living this life where they're constantly being interrupted. They're paying attention to one thing, then to another thing, then to another thing, then to another thing. They're working and then they're paying attention to social media, then they get some message on the phone, then they get an email ding, and so on and so forth. The whole day goes like that. And at the end of the day, you feel frenzied, you feel scattered, you feel confused, you feel stressed out. You feel stressed out because the whole day has been busy with minutia, right? You've done small things here, small things there. You've been distributing your attention all over the place and you feel like you've gotten nothing done. On the other hand is a life that is fulfilling and meaningful. And the way you do that is you spend a lot of time on things that truly matter, on a few things that truly matter. So you carve out time for deep work, for working on those things that are really valuable. And when you create value, you feel valuable. And not only that, you don't feel stressed out when you're spending a large chunk of time on what is important. You don't feel frazzled. You don't feel burnt out in some ways. No matter how much hard work you do, if you're spending large chunks of uninterrupted time on really important things, you don't feel stressed out. You feel fulfilled. You feel like you're doing something meaningful. And that's the difference. So don't live a life of death by 1,000 paper cuts. Instead, live a more meaningful, a more fulfilling life. And the only way you're going to do it is if you carve out time for deep work every single day. Deep work where you work on nothing else, you have no distractions, you just work on one thing. Now I'm giving away 5 free copies of this book. All you need to do to win one of these copies is to enter the giveaway. So you can find the link to enter the giveaway down below in the description, or just go to 2000books.com/deep, or click on the top right corner of your screen on the I button and you should be able to get to the giveaway. And here's the thing, the more entries you have in the giveaway, the higher your likelihood of winning the giveaway. And the way to increase the number of entries is to share it with your friends, because for every friend who enters, you get 3 more entries into the giveaway. So really simple.